Have you ever had that gut feeling that something big is about to happen with the economy, and not in a good way? Well, you're not alone. Millions of Americans are waking up to the reality that the retirement system we trusted for decades might not be as rock solid as we thought. Hi, I'm glad you're here, because today I want to show you a retirement move that more and more smart, everyday Americans are quietly making. And it all starts with a story out of Scottsdale, Arizona. But before I tell you about Bill, a retired airline pilot who made one of the most important decisions of his life last year, let's look at what's happening right now. On April 12th, the latest inflation data dropped. Prices are still rising faster than expected. Core inflation? Sticky. The Fed's delaying interest rate cuts, and markets are jittery. Meanwhile, the U.S. national debt just crossed $35 trillion. And according to the latest analysis, Social Security's trust fund could be depleted by 2033. That's just 8 years away. So if you're in or near retirement, you've probably asked yourself, how do I protect what I've worked my whole life to build? That's where Bill's story comes in. Last May, Bill, 67, living a quiet, retired life with his wife Sharon, saw the writing on the wall. He had over $540,000 in his 401k, but he was nervous. The markets were volatile, inflation was eating into their lifestyle, and he didn't want to leave their future to chance. He heard about Gold IRAs from a trusted friend, not a sales pitch, not one of those free silver gimmicks, just a simple, no-pressure conversation about moving a portion of his retirement savings into physical gold, real, tangible wealth. Bill did his homework. He took a free guide, booked a short educational call, and ended up rolling over $280,000 into a Gold IRA. Today, he sleeps better. He's not worried every time the Fed holds a press conference. And he knows he's protected part of his nest egg against inflation, market crashes, and government spending. And here's the thing. Bill's story started with that free guide, and right now, you can do the same. If you have $100,000 or more saved in a traditional IRA or 401k, this free Gold IRA guide is something you absolutely need to read. It breaks down, in plain English, how to safeguard your retirement with real assets. No pressure, no obligation, just facts. You've spent decades working hard, saving wisely, and dreaming about the kind of life you want to live, or the legacy you want to leave. Don't let Washington or Wall Street decide what happens next. This isn't about fear, it's about being smart. So if you want to feel the kind of peace of mind Bill found, start where he did. Click below to get your free Gold IRA guide and schedule your short, one-on-one educational call. No sales gimmicks, no hype, just clear answers to see if this is the right fit for you. You've earned this time in your life, now it's time to protect it. And it starts with one simple step.